Welcome to Techie Leaper channel. Today's video I'll show you how to delete messages on Slack. Now, you might have sent the wrong message or you might have misspelled something, so you want to completely delete the message or messages. To do that, it's very simple. At first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or you can just go ahead and open up your browser like me and go to slack.com. From here, launch the workspace in which you want to edit or delete the message in. And after that, you'll see a bunch of channel in that workplace. Just go to the channel in which you sent the message. This is my message. The files was Betty. This is what I sent. I meant ready, so there's a spelling mistake here. There's two options I can follow. I can select the message. I can just hover over the message and then just click on this more actions or the three dot icon. From here, I can edit the message and change the word Betty to ready and click on save. And that's basically gonna work. But it's gonna say something like edited in the corner. So if you don't want that and if you want to send a new message instead of this and delete this completely, just click on the more actions again. Then from here, click on the delete message button. And after that, it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to delete that message? Because you cannot undo it. So just click on delete if you're sure and the message will be deleted. And basically that is how to delete messages on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.